Good morning. It's my birthday today and we arrived to Surrey Hills and it's raining obviously, and we are here to do a little hike, and now we're at the viewpoint. I'm not sure if you can see anything at this viewpoint because it's foggy and rainy, but still better than nothing. A little bit of wildness and remembering where your roots are. Woo! This is high, isn't it? And it might.
Yes, bruv.
I think it's called cream tea à la naturelle.
A la what?
Naturelle.
Oh, natural.
No, à la naturelle. You know nothing. Oopsie. I'm making a mess as usual. As long as it's not on my trousers, it's fine. Cheers. So after the little sunny hike, we went to shop to Ikea suddenly, randomly. Weren't going to do that, but thought that it's going to be raining, so it would be good to do some useful stuff, and I love shopping, so I was doing the things I love on my birthday. And of course it did start raining, which caused a lot of traffic, and now we are going home and then have half an hour to get ready to go to the restaurant.
Hey to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ooh.
Happy birthday, dear Christinka.
Make a wish.
Yes!
Yay!
So we're here in the restaurant. Jamie's eating.
So good.
So we've got warm strawberry sauce.
Okay.
It looks like Italian meringue.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it is. Vanilla ice cream, strawberries, and shortbread.
Happy days.